Hi, welcome to this tutorial of the Make and Create It bag kit. And you will see that in your kit comes a personal choice of your monogram letter and a bag, and if you need it, a centering guide. The easiest way to place your project is to fold down the top until it lines up with the blue portion of the bag and finger press. That'll give you a nice horizontal line on where to place your monogram letter. And then if you need to, you can use this guide to find the center, fold it up to however small you need it. Center it between the handles. I want to go up higher, so I will move it up. Peel off the back by placing your fingernail between the top portion and the back. It's like a big sticker. Peel, place, I'm going to move this just to make sure that's where I want it. It looks good. And smooth. All right. If you want, at this time, you can make horizontal lines on your sticker to help with a satin stitch. And you can draw with a pen because it won't show up once you dissolve the stabilizer. I like to do this to keep my satin stitch straight. For the next step, we're going to roll our pocket and handle and tuck it inside the bag and clip it with a clip so it doesn't get in the way while we embroider. Next step, we're going to put the hoop on. I'm placing the hoop, so I'm going to move this around. You can see the outline of the back hoop. That kind of helps to get it centered. And then I'm going to apply the front hoop, push it down. And if you want, you can pull that ever so slightly to tighten it up all around the hoop so it's even. And before you tighten it, should sound like a drum. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, tighten the screw. Yep, there you have it, ready to stitch. Please refer to the free PDF download stitch guide for stitching instructions and colors used. Hey, your project looks great. It's time to remove the stabilizer. Run your project under warm water for 1 to 2 minutes. Rub if necessary. Dry in a cool dryer and enjoy. Thanks for tuning in to this video tutorial for the Make and Create It monogram bag. I hope you loved it. Let me know. Thumbs up. Till next time. Bye.